Okay, so in this video, we're looking at Module 3, Geometry and Measurement. So this is question 1 from the 2018 NHT Further Maths Exam 2. So first question is a volume question. It's got Shannon's baker. She's got a particular rectangular baking pin with a height of 5, a length of 28, and a width of 20. So it's length times width times height. So 5 times 28 times 20. Put it in your calculator, and that will give you 2,800 centimeters cubed. I'm going to make it really important to note that you need to put it in the appropriate volume units that you're using in this particular question. Next one, we've got another baking tin. It's got a circular base with a radius of 12 centimeters. The height of the baking tin is 8 centimeters, shown below. She wants to cover the inside, so there, and you can't really see it in there, with baking paper, and she wants to know the area required. So if I drew that's my circle. Yes, very bad circle. To me, to find the area of that, it's quite easy. It's pi r squared. So let's put that pi times radius is 12, so 12 squared. Okay, plus. Now here's the part where you've got to sort of think a bit not differently, but you've got to I'm going to take that out for a sec. And what you've got to think about here is you want to find the area of this part. Okay, and what you need to do for that is to consider that this here could be, if you wanted to, okay, if I made a cut, say I made a cut like that there, it's like a rectangle, isn't it? If I pull that in and pull that out, it's like a rectangle. So if I know the so for the area, so if I've got something that looks like that now, all right, I know that that's 8, and all I need to find out is this distance. That distance is actually the circumference of that circle. Okay, so that's going to be, in this case, we're going to have 2 pi r. Or pi d, but we've got r in terms of 12 centimeters. So what it's going to be now then is plus the area. So the area of this is 2 times pi times 12 times 8. So let's put that down here. 2 times pi times 12 times 8. Then we're going to go equals. We're going to add those two together. Put that in your calculator. Okay, and you'll get an answer of 1,055.6 centimeters squared. Again, remember appropriate units. You don't want to lose marks for something like that. And we've done it to 1 decimal place. All right, so that's question B. All right. A cake cooked in a circular baking tin is cut into 10 pieces of equal size. So 10 pieces, as shown in the diagram below. What we want to know is this particular angle. All right. So this one's actually reasonably easy if you think about it. It's 360. Okay. All right. So some 360 degrees divided by, you've got 10 equal cuts there, or pieces. So it's going to be divided by 10. So our answer is going to be, if you do that, it's equal. If you do that, you're going to get 36 degrees, which is what we got. All right. So you're after putting that there. That's what you're being expected to put there. So what is the volume in cubic centimeters of one piece of cake? Round your answer to 1 decimal place. Now, you've got to remember a volume is basically, if you think of volume, it's area times height. We've got our height, that's 8. What we need to find is the area of that, and it's the area of the sector. So the formula for area, so it's basically, now I wouldn't put this, all this writing in your exam, but I'm just trying to show it, times h. So that's going to be, that's your angle, divided by 360 times pi times r squared. That's your area of a sector. Let's actually highlight that in, let's highlight in green. That's your area of a sector. And then height's going to be in lovely blue times height put that blue there again. Okay. And once I put all those numbers in, so it's going to be 36 because we worked out in the previous question. Or yet you've told that 360 times pi times r, and your r was in this case 12 again. 12 squared times 8. And you're going to get an answer here of 361.9 centimeter cubed. Okay, and that's how you can do that particular question.